Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, this is just a short video for something a little bit fun and different. Now, many of you have asked me, hey Steve, what did you get for Christmas? And a lot of you thought that, well, since I'm into the RC hobby, I must have got something RC. But honestly, when it comes to Christmas, I usually just get clothes and socks and underwear and a few odds and ends because I really don't need anything in the RC hobby because I have everything. But my wife did get me something in the RC hobby, something different and unexpected. So I'm going to show you right now. She got me this here. This is Mario Kart Live. Now, I'm not going to do a review of it, but I'm just going to show you it because I thought it was a lot of fun and pretty cool to play with, especially if you have kids. I have two boys. In order to use Mario Kart Live, you are going to have your own Nintendo Switch. So if you don't have one, well, then you're going to have to get that plus this to play this whole thing. Basically what it is just a virtual game of Mario Kart. So you actually play it live. You drive an RC car around your house, and then the camera on the car will turn everything in your house into a Mario Kart game. So let's check this out. So this is what the box looks like, and inside it there's not that much, honestly. Let me open it up and show you. So you get some instructions, you get the little Mario Kart, and you can see right up front here there's a camera, and you have some indicator lights on the back. There's a charging system on the side. If I lift this up, there you go, you put a USB-C that's included in there, charge it up by USB, and this right here is your power button to turn it on and off. And also in the box you get this, and this is something very important. So in here you have all your gates. So that's a gate 2 right here, and yeah, they're all in there. Let me just yank them all out. So there's gate 1. And basically how it works is your little camera here, it will see gate 1, and when it sees this symbol, it will turn this into something totally different. So if you're playing a winter game, this all turns into snow and ice, and it also lets the software and the app know exactly where you are in the race. So let's set this up and I'll show you it in real time. So let me see here, just pull these little legs out and we're going to turn this into a course. So there we go. So we have this and it all sets up as a course. So you do that with each one, and let's go put them on the floor and make any course you want. You don't have to stick to any pattern. So let's place gate number 1 right here. That's the start of the course. These gates are reusable. So gate number 1 is over there, and all the way over here I have gate number 2. It's going to go into my dining room. So gate number 2 is there, going this way. We're in the dining room, and exit is gate number 3. Gate number 3 exit, and coming over to gate number 4, going underneath my table. Also included are these little arrows to tell you which direction to go. So when you go through a gate and you have to make a turn, you'll see the arrows which will tell you to turn. All right, so now I'm going to try to show you how everything works with the Switch and this here Mario Kart. When that light goes blue, then I'm connected to the Switch. The Mario Kart app is free. You just have to download it, and it gives you instructions in the actual kit. All right, so I've got the Nintendo Switch. I'll bring it close so you can see what's going on the screen. There we go. See that arrow bouncing up and down? It is telling me that I have to drive into that little circle, and that circle is right before gate number 1. Let me put the sound on so we hear all the sound effects. Okay, so now I'm laying out a course. I'm making my own course, and I'm going to say I'm going to put it into memory. So here we go, course creation. So I have to drive forward through my course. Here we go. I'm going to put some paint on my wheels so I can see the course. And here we go. So A is drive, and I could steer. Go find number 2, which is right here. There's my little thing that's saying go to the left. Go to number 3, which I set up. And then we got to go to number 4, which is over here. Trying to do this while holding the controller. So here we go. I'm going under the chair I'm sitting on. I'm actually sitting on this chair. And there we are. It's going to go, and it's going to know I'm done. Here's a quick demo of my course. Now you'll see that characters are tossed in. If I had 2 of these, you can get a Luigi one, then you can play head to head. You'd need 2 switches as well. And when you're driving, it's just like the Mario Kart game. You must avoid objects, anything thrown at you. You can get power-ups just by running over things and shoot them at your enemies. If your car gets hit, well then it stops, slows down. Your speed gets better the more you play, because then you unlock more courses and you can go up to like 200, 500 cc's or whatever. It's a lot of fun, and you notice how virtually it changes the environment around you. This is snowy because that's the course I picked, but you can pick any course you want and it will change the environment just like in the Mario Kart game. Here I'm coming in 5th because I'm so terrible at it, but yeah, it's a lot of fun to play, honestly. All right, so that was probably the worst demo ever of this game because honestly, I'm not really designed to play this, but it was a lot of fun on Christmas Day. And yeah, trying to hold the Switch while the camera's running and try to look through the camera at the same time. Not very talented for that. But anyways, I'm sure you guys can do better. I just wanted to show you this just in case you have kids like I do and you wanted to get something fun that you can all play together as a family. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, I'll put links below anyways. Check it out. I'm not really a reviewer of Nintendo stuff, but I'll put links below and you can check it out. They're on Amazon. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Bye.